Good morning. Jen came back home with a cough. So I'm going to have to separate you from Athena so you don't give Athena a cough. Good morning. Today is going to be a silent morning for the deaths happening in Ukraine. So we're going to be quiet and dedicate this morning to Ukraine and everyone who's lost a loved one in Ukraine. Silence, except for Athena. She's not going to be silent. So
cute. That was so cute.
Silence.
Uh-oh. Yay, I did it. What did that?
Moment of silence for Ukrainians who have lost their lives.
That. Touch his wife?
Yes, a lot of people are dying in Ukraine, so we're going to be silent this morning, okay? I don't think this is going to work.
Can't hour the what? Can't do the what?
Good morning. Let's go to school, June.
Okay, bye-bye.
You have to wear your shoes.
Oh. Never do?
Mm-hmm.
I can get myself.
Mm-hmm. Wear your shoes.
Okay, there.
Where?
There, on the ground.
Okay.
I did it.
Mm. Mm-mm. This one is for that leg. You wear the wrong one.
One? Okay, sorry.
You're okay.
Another one?
This one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I did it.
You did it.
And the last one. Take your feet. I have to do it myself.
Okay.
I did it. See? My legs that fit in there.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Now, bye-bye.
Mm-mm.
Bye-bye. What are you doing, Mommy?
We're going. Let's go. Yes, I should separate them.
Okay.
June has a cough, and I'm sure she picked up something from preschool. So, just gonna try to separate them as much as I can. But the odds are she's gonna get something. Junie, no more kissing Athena, okay? Because you have a cough. You don't want Athena to get a cough. Junie! Junie, you're not listening to mommy.
Oh, so cute.
I agree. She's so cute.
Oh,
I love you.
so cute. It's Athena.
Yeah.
So cute. So cute.
The cough gets worse, so you're not gonna go to school. This is the last day of a week, though. So, did you finish your honey tea? Come finish your honey tea. Come. Come finish your honey tea, Jim. The last one. Come. The last one. Yeah. Good job. You did it. proud of you.
My hiccup is done.
Your hiccup is gone? It's not hiccup. You have a cough. It's not a hiccup, my love. You have a full-blown cough.
My cough is
This
done.
is from Terry Mac.
My cough is done.
Hmm?
My cough is done. Yay, I did it.
You did it. Okay, Junie, come on, let's go.
Okay, I'm better now.
You're better now?
Yes. I'm better now.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. And my hiccups are done. Now we need to go to school.
Now it's time to go to school.
Yay! Oh, just Tina. Ay.
Tina. Trying to eat the phone.
Going to eat it down. Yes. So cute. So cute.
Junie, no more. Here, hold your jacket in case you get cold.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on.
Okay. You help me put my racket?
No, we'll put it in if you get cold.
Okay, Mommy. So, Daddy. And my rainbow jacket.
Your rainbow jacket?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Is in school?
Yes. Yes. My favorite rainbow jacket.
I'm going to ask your teacher where she put it, okay?
I want up. I want some up. You said up?
Okay. Oh, my God. Give it to me. My Junie, strap yourself. Yeah.
And the other one. And my drum. Oh, I see.
Athena. Sorry, Athena. My love. All right, guys. Love you. Bye.